R&B icon Akon and legendary Boney enthralled the audience to a scintillating performance at the Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival at the RBDSA Sports Complex, Boirambong yesterday. Named after the cherry blossoms that dot the streets in the capital city during winter months, the musical extravaganza opened with an exciting lineup of international artists as well as music icons of the Northeast. Addressing at the press conference after the event, Akon lauded about the Cherry Blossom Festival organized in Meghalaya.
Well, this is my first experience in this region, but I know before I leave, I'll probably get more experience. But for the most part, now that I know it actually exists, I'll pay attention more for sure. I know the music scene in India is A1. You know, one of my biggest records was here in India. You know, so we definitely love the music here. The way it actually coincides with the film world here as well is very powerful.
The